Detroit, I say fashion, cause everything's a statement, and I be killing fabrics. Every fit I create is great, it screams bad chicken. At this rate, the hate is seems average and misplaced.
Hey guys, it's Shanice. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome if you're new. Y'all, I made it to 600 subscribers. I'm really excited, really proud of myself, and I'm appreciative of all of you guys who comment, like, subscribe, share my videos. Really appreciate it. If you are new, make sure to subscribe to the channel down below. I do create fashion content, travel content, as well as lifestyle content. So if you like those kind of things, make sure to subscribe down below. Seeing as how I made it to 600 subscribers, and I also am going on vacation soon, I thought it was only right that I invest in getting myself a camera, and it is my first camera for YouTube, so I'm really excited about that. So far throughout my whole YouTube journey, I've been either using my iPad or my iPhone to record. So all of these sit-down videos that you see are always recorded on my iPad, and all of my vlogs or things like that are always recorded on my phone. So the investment in the camera was needed. I want to like up my quality, and in doing that, I got myself the Sony ZV-1 camera. The reason why I chose this one, I know a lot of people either use the Canon GX7 Mark II or 3, or they either get the Sony ZV-1. And personally, I just always realized that most people would start out with the Canon and then go on to get the Sony. So I was just like, let me just invest a little bit more in the Sony, and that's what I got. And I also ordered the vlogger kit to come with it. So it does come with the handheld part, and it has an SD card in it, which is really great. I don't have to actually go out and buy an SD card right now since it came with it. And it has 64 gigabytes. Great for vacay. So we're gonna open both of these, and then I have two camera accessories that I want to show you guys from Amazon to go along with both of these things. I ended up getting this on Best Buy. I was continually checking between Amazon and Best Buy, especially through Juneteenth weekend, just to see if they had any sales. Both of them did have a little sale in terms of the camera, and it was basically the same amount, like the same price for the camera and the vlogger kit together. So I just ended up getting it from Best Buy. So again, I'm not going to talk too much because I do want to open this. It's been sitting in my house for 2 days, but I wanted to open it with you guys. So let's open it. Guys, I'm so excited because I really have a camera. Like, I feel like I'm an official YouTuber now. But yeah, so it just comes with these papers inside, the instructions, but read that at the end. So this is how the inside looks. Dun, 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 dun. This is the camera. So this is the Sony ZV-1, and it has a screen in the back so you guys can see. Y'all, official. Before we get into that, it does have this cord, which I guess is a charger. This is like the regular basic kind of like Android charger. It doesn't come with the box, but everyone basically has that. And then this part is the microphone. I always see when people have this camera, they always had this on it. Looks like a little rat. But yeah, it goes on top of here. I'm actually really excited about this because I feel like in the summertime, you kind of do a little bit more, go out a little bit more. So now that I have a vlogging camera and I'm about to go on vacay, the quality of videos that I'm gonna be able to create for you guys is gonna be up. So I think this is the part that you take out. So this little piece at the top, and then you kind of just put this in here. If there's one thing, I feel like with tech things, millennials just know how to work it, but for cameras, you need to read the instructions because there's just no way. We'll come back to that. One other thing that I'm really happy about is the fact that the camera has this piece and it can turn as well, so I can record like this, or wait, I can record like regular, or I can turn it and then like record like this. Because normally when I was recording, especially on vacay with my phone, I would record on my phone like this and then stop it and then record regular. So now that I can just flip the screen and keep the ball rolling when it comes to record. It has a lot of different modes. So on the top is the zoom. It has the record button. It has the on and off button, as well as this C1 button as well. So that's pretty cool. We're gonna come back to the microphone. We're gonna open the vlogger kit now. So I also got the vlogger kit, like I said, and the vlogger kit really is just so that when I record, I have a stable hand in terms of the content, so it doesn't look shaky. It does come with an SD card, and the SD card is 64 gigabytes. This is the handheld part. Okay, so let's open it. Yeah, I've just been too excited to open this all week. Okay, so this is the handheld part that you put on the camera. One of the things, sorry guys, one of the things that I've always had was like the regular tripod, but I don't always use it when it comes to my phone. But with this is great. This is a baggie that comes with it, as well as the battery to put in this, I'm guessing. Y'all, excuse me while I struggle. Oh, so the battery part is at the back. Okay, it was like a 1-2 step. Put the battery in, close this baby up. Okay. So now it's on. And then it has the bottom piece, so you just turn this into the camera. Y'all, your girl is official now. Okay, I just need to learn how to move this, because I can't get it to like tilt back up. Okay. This under piece is to tighten the camera on it after putting it on, and then this part I think is to tilt this part back. Yeah, I ain't trying to break this, so let's read some instructions. Oh, okay. So it has a button right here. See what happens when you read direction? It has this button right here, so you can use it to move. Oh, it's lit, it's lit, it's lit. One of the things that the thing comes with, so it has a photo button, a movie button. You can control zoom on this handheld thing, as well as a lock. I'm not sure what the lock exactly is, but once I get off this video, I'm gonna play with the camera a little bit more and learn how to use it. But overall, I think it's a really stable camera. One of the great things about this camera is that it's very compact. I know a lot of people have like different types of Canon, different types of cameras overall, and a lot of them are bulky. I think those cameras are great when you're doing sit-down videos, when you're going out and vlogging. Most times you want to have a camera that isn't too heavy, or a camera you can just slip in your bag and doesn't take up a lot of space or doesn't have a lot of weight. So this is a great camera. It's really light, to be honest, and I know even if you take this off, it's really good as well. Part of the handheld is Bluetooth, so you can connect it to the camera. As far as what I've seen on the box, you can connect it and then control taking a photo, movie from the handheld to the camera. Oh, it also comes with a battery, guys. This is the battery for the camera, so also gotta put that in. I'm gonna try to figure out the microphone part off camera because it's a bit much, guys, and I want to show you some of the other things that I got from my camera. So I ended up getting a case from Amazon and an SD card reader. The SD card reader I think is a great accessory to have for your camera, just because a lot of people want their videos or pictures quick, and if you're one of those people, the SD card reader is great. I actually saw this on TikTok. TikTok just makes you spend money, but with this, you can connect it to your phone, you can connect it to your iPad, and you can upload your photos or videos directly to your phone. Also, if you're going on vacation and you're going with friends, I know a lot of times friends are always wanting their pictures. It's really quick, so this is a great thing to have on the side. And as for this case, it is a yellow case. I do have like a slight obsession with yellow, although my favorite color is red. And It did come in other colors as well, so it came in yellow, orange, red, camouflage, black, and white. So it has the case, which is like a silicone case. It has this wiper, and then it also comes with, oh, that's cool. It comes with a screen protector. We're gonna put this on the camera right now. You know when you first get like a new piece of technology, you just be so delicate with it. Like a new phone, a new camera, and everything. So not much to it. Literally the cutest little thing ever. And then it has the camera part. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this on because I feel like this is gonna bother me. But we'll see. And then you can just put this back on. Now I'm gonna open the card reader for you guys. So this I'm probably the most excited about, even though I can't really do anything with it right now. But yeah, it's this little piece, literally this small piece, and you can put it into your phone. And then you put the SD card right here. Yeah. And then you upload, and then you post your pictures, create your content, and do what you gotta do. But that is all of the accessories that I got, as well as the camera. I'm really excited just to vlog for you guys. One note is, if you are an upcoming YouTuber or want to start YouTube, my advice is always just to start. Like, I started with my iPad and my phone, and I still was able to grow my channel from then to now. And I'm now at the point where I'm now getting my first camera for YouTube. So if you're interested in starting YouTube, literally just start. Everyone always thinks they have to have the best camera or the best equipment. It's really only about starting and being consistent and just creating content that you actually love to create. So that's just my little tidbit. If you have any questions about the camera, I'm gonna kind of do my research, watch some more videos, and just play around so I can learn the camera myself. But if you do have any questions below about the camera, make sure to put them down below in the comment section. This is the end of the video. I hope that I was able to shed some light on the Sony ZV-1 and just what is in the box and what it comes with. Let me know if you're excited to see the updated quality with the camera, like I am. And until next time, bye from me and my cam. Bye guys. Y'all, I had to come back real quick. The microphone part is not even that hard. I figured it out. So you have to put the microphone on the side, and then you just slide it in like this, and then ta-da! Also forgot to add, because I've been trying it out a little bit. So when you open, you turn on the camera. The camera part is touchscreen. Like, you guys can't even see, but it's touchscreen, and the quality, like when you touch it, is clear. That was it. Until next time, bye guys.